Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a square. Consider this square is A, B, C, D. And there is a point inside this square. This is P. Such that the distance between this point A and P is 3 units. And the distance between this B and P is 5 units, and this APB is 90 degree. We have to find the distance between this P to this D. So we have to find this value of PD. At first, extend this AP by 2 units. Consider this line. Suppose this length is 2 units and this point is R. Now join this R and this D. Suppose this angle is theta. As ABCD is a square, so this angle will be 90 degree minus theta, because total A is 90 degree and this is theta, so this will be 90 degree minus theta. Again, in triangle ABP, this P is 90 degree and this is theta, so this angle will also be 90 degree minus theta. That means this angle is same as this angle. Now focus on triangle ADR, triangle ADR, and in triangle ABP and triangle ABP. In these two triangles, this side length is equal to this side length because this is a square. So AD is equal to AB, and the side length, this BP, is 5 units, and AR, this is 3 plus 2, this is also 5 units. That means AR in this triangle is equal to this BP. And this angle is equal to this angle. That means DAR, angle DAR is equal to angle ABP. As the side length AD is equal to AB, AR is equal to BP, and one of them angle is same, so this two triangle is congruent. That means triangle ADR is congruent to this triangle ABP. As this two triangle is congruent, so this side length DR is same as AP. As AP is equal to 3 unit, so DR is equal to 3 unit. So this is 3 unit. And angle ARD is same as angle APB. As this angle APB is 90 degree, so this angle ARD is also 90 degree. That means this is 90 degree. So triangle PRD is a right angle triangle. So in triangle PRD, this is a right angle triangle. So applying Pythagoras theorem to here, this PD is hypotenuse and PR is height and RD is base. So we can write this PD square is equal to this PR square plus this RD square or this PD square is equal to PR. This is 2 unit, so 2 square plus RD, this is 3 unit, so 3 square is equal to 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4, so 2 square plus 3 square is 13, and taking a square root we will get the value of PD is equal to a square root of 13, and this is the distance between this P and D, which is a square root of 13, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.